everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as I mentioned in the previous video, what was the previous video? My spring get ready with me. I did a lot of shopping in Japan, and not only did I do snack shopping, but I obviously did a lot of cosmetics shopping. So this is my cosmetic and miscellaneous haul from Japan. I will be posting up the vlogs. I just haven't had a chance to go through the footage, but I am going to show you what I bought in Japan. So I would say it was like my 4th day. I did a lot of shopping on my own time then. And I mainly shopped at this store called Keshco. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's this penguin. I mainly wanted to spend it at one place because I wanted to get tax refund. This is heavy. This is my bag of stuff. I have this DHC lip cream. This one I really only bought because Style Susie on YouTube really liked the brand, and I remember in one of her videos she had mentioned it. It's a pretty moisturizing lipstick, and lip cream, and I think it costs around like $4 or $5 in Japan. It's around the cost of other lip creams in the American market as well. It doesn't really have too much of a scent, and I just think that it was pretty worth it to spend $4 or $5 on this. When I found this on Amazon, it cost $9, so I got 2 of these. I bought this wallet while I was in Japan as well. I guess it's a wallet. It's more like a coin purse. I got used to just using like one of those small pouches for my cash and then having a separate card holder. So I really liked this. I thought it was super adorable. It reminded me of my cats, and in I guess Asian culture, the cat is pretty lucky. You know, the one that goes like, you know what I'm talking about. And also people said that red is supposed to be money, and kind of want a flow of money coming in, even though I have a lot of outgoes with money. And this one I guess I bought this. This is one of those like those things where you like the gachas where you put in coins and then you get like a little like miniature doll or whatever. I bought this in Kyoto, but you can find this all around Japan. They have plenty of these. I got a lot of these charms at one of the temples that I went to. I think it was called like it's the Golden Temple. I forgot what it was called, but I got a bunch of different amulets, or what are these called? Lucky charms. There we go. To give to my family members. So I actually gave one to my parents already, but I got this one, and this just means money. So I'm gonna give this to my eldest. Well, not my eldest cousin, but my cousin who's the eldest living here. Just because he works a lot, and I hope that he's happy working at his job, getting a lot of money. This one, I forget what this one is for, but I'll figure it out with trial and error. This one is for living long old age, so I gave one to my parents, and then I'm going to give this one to my aunt and uncle. And then this one, I forget. Okay, I know one of this is for childbirth, and the other one is obviously for me. But what did I buy for myself? Oh God, I should have written this down. And then this one I got for my sister because she's going to college. I wanted to give this to her so that she can excel in her studies, because if you guys know us, we don't study that well. But those are all the Lucky Charms. Next, I picked up 3 socks. Actually, this is from China. I picked up 3 half socks because I love these. Ooh! And I went to Universal Studios in Japan, and I got their butter beer, and I like it, but I'm not a very soda carbonated drink kind of girl. It kind of tastes like candy when I drank it. And I love like the foam or the cream they had on top. You do pay a little extra for the beer and the cup, but it's definitely worth it. I think you pay like $2 extra for this, and you actually get a little bit more when you buy it in this. But yes, souvenir from Japan from Universal Studios. Going back to cosmetic stuff, I bought these lashes, and these are from By Love Magic. I don't know. I think I got this in Japan because I couldn't find this brand online on Amazon or something. So I decided to pick it up while I was in Japan. I don't really, oh, this is $10, but I decided to get this because I wanted to try false lashes, and I like the amount of this. It's not too heavy, but it's also has a lot of length, and I think it looks more natural for my lashes. I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know how this is. I haven't tried out a lot of these things yet, so I don't really know, but I definitely will have a follow-up video, or if this ends up being something I do like, I will have it in a get ready with me just to mention it. Another pair, this one was like $8. This is from VP Trial Lashes. This one is also more on the natural side, so I'm hoping that I can just apply mascara, apply this on, and have everything all good to go. This is a eyelash curler. I decided to pick this up because I don't think I'll ever see this in America. This is one of those eyelash curlers that kind of has like the separating things already, and I thought this was perfect because I usually curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then recurl it. But when I do the recurl, sometimes it clumps together and then I have to separate it myself with another coat or with a brush. But I think with this, it might help with the clumping situation. But who knows? This, I think, was only like $10. Yeah, so I'm not like too mad if it doesn't work. The only issue is finding the little rubbery thing for this. Next, I got a bunch of eyeliner, a bunch of mascara and an eyeliner from this brand. It's called Moat. My friend actually recommended this to me, Ewang, and she told me that this eyeliner was really good, and they have different colors of eyeliner, like black, dark brown, brown. I decided to just get black. So I picked up 3 mascaras. They cost $20 each. But I tried finding these online and it costs like $40, and I'm like, who the hell is spending $40 on mascara? Why am I spending $20 on mascara? But anyways, I was like, you know what, while in Japan, might as well. So I honestly didn't really know what like the different colors and stuff and all that is, but they have a bunch of like information online about what the different kinds are. They have like impact, dramatic, black, natural, separate, and then this one is natural black brush. Next, I picked up I actually bought 2 of these. So I picked up these natural eyebrow liquid stuff. It's just one of those brush, like they have a liquid brush and then they have the powder on the other side. And I haven't seen this kind of brow applicator or brow process in America. Maybe there is some in the market, but it's not as popular or something. I wanted to try it because I haven't seen it and I wanted to see like what was up with it. And then this one is from Newborn and this one is in 01. But I've been really liking this because it has this like liquid tint on this side, and I love this like this kind of almost translucent tint color, just because when I apply it on my eyebrows, it looks like natural eyebrows that I'm putting on. And I wish I like wore it today, but I didn't. But it looks like I'm filling in my eyebrows rather than just like adding a lot more stuff. And then on the other side, it has a powder. Next, I bought this Sabrino face mask. And basically what it's supposed to do is prep your face for makeup. So as you saw in my autumn, wow, Vivian! As you saw in my spring get ready with me video, I do a whole skincare routine before I put on makeup. So this is essentially supposed to have all the skincare you need for makeup. The only thing I'm worried about is that this process, because it's a mask, it might take long in the morning. Next, I picked up this Perfect Whip cleanser because I heard a lot of good things about it. It's pretty cheap. I think I got this for like $4. I don't know if this is going to be great for my skin, but Senka is part of Shiseido, and Shiseido is like a pretty big cosmetic company, and this is something people rave about. So hopefully this is pretty good. I hope this is just kind of like a standard foam cleanser and not something that'll strip my face a lot. Next, I picked up another eyeliner. This is the K-Palette eyeliner. K-Palette is actually, I've heard a lot of things about K-Palette, so hoping for good stuff for this. Next, I picked up this Kiss Press and Go press on nail stuff. I had this when I was in Japan and I loved it because it was just easy to have a manicure on. I didn't have like nail polishes and stuff like that. The only issue is like, you know, when you're like rummaging through your hair, like the hair gets stuck in the friggin' nails, and that was so disgusting and so annoying because so much of my hair would fall out, but it is what it is. And also after a while, like after like washing your hair or like just water contact, it starts to bend. So I would say these nails, like after 1 week, you want to switch them. I got this Twin Drop Silicone and Sponge Makeup applicator. This one is a silicone on one side and then a sponge on the other side. And I picked this up because E actually asked me to pick up some stuff in Japan for her, and this was something interesting that I never thought about because I've never used a silicone before. And then the other side is just like a simple sponge, but there are some times where you kind of want to like dab and like maybe soak up some of the product rather than just applying it on your face. So hopefully this is good. While I was in Kyoto, I did obviously I did a little bit of shopping, but I picked up these earrings that I actually found online that were like a little bit cheaper in Japan. I think it was like $3 cheaper in Japan. But these are origami swan earrings, and I saw these online on some website. I forgot what it is. I'll link it down below. But I just thought these were so beautiful. I didn't know what color to get them in, and I think I just got red because red is kind of like the color of Japan since their flag is red. Also, me being Chinese, I was like, you can't really go wrong with red. I picked up this Hatomugi skin conditioner. Wait, this is not even Hatomugi. This is Naturey.
This is Naturey.
What did I get? What? I don't know. Anyways, so I thought this was Hatomugi. It's not. It's a different brand. And I picked up before in Korea. At least I thought it was this product. I don't really know right now. But it's just a face toner that has a little bit of moisture in it. So normally face toners either go from astringents to like a little bit of moisturization. In Asia, they care a little bit more about moisturization in the toners. So I decided to pick this up in Korea and I love it. I picked up more of it and I don't know if it's the same brand now, but I liked it and it worked. So I picked up another coin case when I was at the deer forest in Osaka. I think this is super adorable. It only costs like $4. It's really simple, but I just thought this was super cute. I went to Daiso and I picked up these little like building block stuff because after Korea I've just been obsessed with these. These only cost $1. I picked the cat one up and then this panda one up because panda represents Asia. I don't know. Wang also asked me to get these Shiseido lip creams, and I thought because since she's getting it, I would get one too. Don't know if these are good or not, or these are just as good as the DHC ones, but I picked it up because Wang wanted it, and usually I trust her recommendations. In my spring get ready with me video, I mentioned that I'm running out of the current primer that I have right now from the same. So I picked up 2 different primers while I was in Japan. One of them is from Suzanne, and then the other one is from Kiss Me. But the Suzanne one is kind of like the same. It has a pink undertone, and then the Kiss Me is same formula wise when it comes out liquid, but it's a white one. So this one I think will be good when I'm getting darker in the summer and I need it to, you know, match my foundation a little bit more. I'm really excited to use this because this was only like $6-7 and it has SPF like 20 PA double plus. The Kiss Me one is SPF 50 and PA triple plus, so obviously has a lot more. Last thing I picked up, and this wasn't in Japan, but I just want to throw it in there. This is from Modern Lady, and this is the hand cream. This is from China. I love Modern Lady. I just think that the brand and the products and stuff just looks very old Shanghai, and I just love I just love the look of it. Look at it. But the packaging definitely sold me. All the things that I bought while I was in Japan. I will have those vlogs up soon, so it will make a little bit more sense to you where I picked up some of these items. And obviously I will incorporate these things in my life and see whether it's good or not. And if it is good, I will definitely bring it up in another get ready with me or review video. I hope you like this haul, and if you're in Japan, definitely pick up some of these items. But that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, remember to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.